Hello and welcome back to WC Marketplace. In this video, you will learn about Vendors Verification Module. The WCMP Vendors Verification add-on lets you verify the identity of a genuine seller by letting you see his official documents, his address proof, or his social media presence. Now let's see today's topic for discussion. Today we will discuss about API download, admin settings, vendor upload documents, admin preview and match the documents, view of the verified vendors. Installation of WCMP vendor verification can be done from My Account page. Once you go to API download section, from there you can download WCMP seller verification. This can be downloaded easily once paid, and after the activation of the API keys, the vendor verification gets fully activated on your site. For further details, view the video on WCMP extension installation guide. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. We hope that you have gone through our video on vendor registration, where we have discussed the number of ways in which a new vendor can be added on the site. Now let's see how we can verify a vendor as soon as he or she gets approved by the admin. From the admin dashboard, hop onto WCMP and from there go to Settings. And now click onto Vendor Verification tab. Now under this verification tab, there is a list of information that needs to be filled. You can upload a badge which will get showcased beside the vendor once they get verified. Under the social media verification tab, the admin enables the settings the vendor can upload their social verification site from their respective dashboard, like Google, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. All this social configuration along with this URL will be requiring a client ID along with the client secret keys. For this video, we will be configuring for LinkedIn and we will see how to achieve the client ID and the client secret keys. For the rest of the configuration, do follow our documentations available on WC Marketplace. Once clicking on this Create a App link, you will get redirected to the developers page. If you're new, then you need to create an app by clicking on this tab and then fill in all the necessary details. As mine is already created as a name of vendor verification, I will just be clicking on it. Once redirected to the setting page, go to Auth tab. Under this tab, copy the client ID and the client secret keys and paste it to the respective fields. And from the dashboard, copy this redirect URL and paste it under the authorized redirect URLs for your app. Once done, then click onto this update button. That is it for the admin settings. Now let's switch on to the vendor's dashboard to see how they can apply for all the information. From the admin dashboard, go to Store Settings and from there go to Verification tab. Once redirected, then you can see that there are 3 tabs where the vendor information needs to be filled, such as address verification, ID verification, and social verification. Once you click onto this address verification, you will need to fill your detailed address, and once done, then click onto the submit option. Under the ID verification, you can choose the specific government ID among the national ID card, driving license, and passport. You also need to upload the scanned copy of your ID. Once done, then click onto the submit button for further verification from the admin. Lastly, under the social verification tab, you need to upload all the social links from here. Now that the vendors have uploaded their documents, let's just switch back to the admin dashboard to see how an admin can verify vendor details. From the admin dashboard, hop on to WCMP and then go to To-Do list. Now under this vendor verification tab, there is a status where you can see that the vendor who has just applied for the address, ID and social verification is awaiting for the admin's approval. You may either click onto this tick button to preview and match the documents, and once satisfied, then you can approve it, or may click onto this cross button to reject it from the verification process. Now let's view a site from the customer perspective how the verified vendors will be viewed. You can see that once the vendor is being verified, there is a badge associated with the vendor. This badge symbolizes that the seller is a verified vendor from the admin. With this, we have come to the end of our video. If you like the tutorial, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click on the small red bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to check out the description box below for more useful links. Thank you for watching.